Hello everyone, this is Nanditha from Team Syntax Layers. Today I am going to replicate the Jiosaavn landing page, and this is the page I am going to replicate. And I have created a folder on the desktop, and in that folder I am creating a new file as index.html, and I am creating another folder as style.css. And I need some images. And coming to the index.html, I'm just using Notepad. So here firstly we will start with basic part, that is this, and here I'm giving title as 07, and here I have linked the CSS file to the HTML. And next, coming to the body part, header part. In this header part we have created body, and in that body we have taken one division. In that division I have created a class as first half, and I need these two images, and I linked the images, and I have taken this as logo and this as image. And for these two sentences I have taken this B, but that means bold letters. For bold letters, we will use B, and for paragraphs, anything we will use P. And here we have used two input commands for two boxes, and here for email address and password. For that we have used two boxes. And coming to the second half of the coming to the second half. And we have created another division here, and we have given class as second half, and we have and as we can see here we have two lines as welcome to Jiosaavn and login or sign up with email. For that we have taken two paragraph. One is heading and another is subheading, and we have taken the welcome to Jiosaavn and this. And next we have taken class as box 1. For this I am not a robot. We have taken class as box 2 for this captcha. After that we have used the anchor tag here, and we have created a class box 3. In that box 3 we have to place continue. So we have taken continue, and this link is from the website of Jiosaavn. And I went to the Chrome, and I went to the Jiosaavn website, and continue I have used this link. I have just copy pasted this, and same as well as forgot password and these all. And here again I have used anchor tag, and here we can see that forgot password, and that is paragraph, so that I have taken anchor tag, and here I have taken paragraph for this sentence, and here terms of services is in bold letters, so I have taken this as B. And for N we have taken some paragraph, and we have given class as text3. And for privacy policy also we have these bold letters, so I have taken B, and I have given class as text4. And here we can see that or character. In that or connect with, we have taken some paragraph and we have given class as text file. After that, for mobile number and Facebook, we have two boxes. For that, we have taken box 4 and we have given classes as box 4 and box 5. And this website is from Chrome. And this sign up, here we can see that for sign up again we have created a box and I have given class as box 6. This is the HTML code. Next, I'm going to the CSS. We have given class as first half. So for the first division, I have given class as first half. So I have taken background color as chocolate, as you can see here, this background color. So first I have given CSS for the first half, and coming to the second half, and I have taken another division and I have given class as second half, so that I am taking first second half, and background color I have given white and I have given height width and display. And for images we will use hashtag in CSS. So I have given height width and position and I have given position as fixed. And for the same image one, we have used hashtag and we have given some border radius, height and width and margin top and margin left. You can see here after image 2 and image 1, we have taken all your music as bold letters and we have to adjust that sentence. So I'm taking this and I have given color on font size and position and font family. And next we can see here and anytime anywhere, this is a sentence and we have to adjust this. And we have taken that as P. And I have given color as yellow and font size and margin left and margin. Font family we have taken Arial. And next we can see that here we will have to take heading and subheading as well. So I'm taking for heading and subheading. And position, I have given position as fixed and I have given left to top and font family Arial. And here, these are all positional properties. And next, after that we have created box 1 and box 2. So we have to take for box 1 and box 2. And here we have taken for box 1 as background color and we have given all positional properties per box. And here we will see output once. You can see this email address and password. And next, here we have image box 3 and text box 3. And here we have taken for box 3 all, and we have given all positional properties as background color, padding, top box sizing and top text align and text decoration, and we have taken as text and text one as forward password and terms of services. And by selecting these all, for that here we have text 1, we have given class as text 1, text 2, text 3 and text 4. So for that classes I'm giving, for the text we have given position and color text 1 and we have same for text 2, text 3 and text 4. And next we have taken for box 4 and box 5, so that this boxes contains the text box modeling property, and same as box 2, box 1 and box 2. Same as box 3, we have given box 4 and box 5 as background color and padding top, padding left. And we have given position as fixed and text decoration as none. And next, we'll have to take for image 3 and text 5. And for text 5, we have given color, margin top, and font size and position. And for image 3, for images, we actually use hashtag. And then we have to give for box 6 as well. And here in this box 6, we have used some box modeling properties and the same as box 5 and 4. And here we have taken some background color with the height and box sizing, border radius, and position and text decoration. And we have we have taken input tag so that we have given class as box and box 7. So we have to take box and box 7 also. And we have taken for box and box 7 also, and this is same as these boxes, and all the boxes will be in same manner. And this is the code, CSS code, and this is HTML code. We will see output in live server. You can see here. Yes, you can. I have. We can see the output here, and this is email address, and this is password. And if we click on continue, it will directly go to the website. And if we click on forgot password, it will directly go to the send reminder. And if we click on mobile number, it will ask enter your mobile number. And it will, if we click on Facebook, it will directly enter into the Facebook login page. And here we can see the logo, and here we can see image. And if we click on sign up, it will directly go to the sign up account, sign up page. Thank you for giving this opportunity.